Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this decorative bridal hair comb. This tutorial is for anyone looking to make hair accessories for yourself, for someone special in your life, or to sell. You're going to learn how to make 8 different decorative branches and how to attach them to a base. Here's all the materials needed to make this hair accessory. I'm using assorted beads that are off-white and clear in color, which I think are a perfect choice for a classic bridal hair accessory. Use whatever beads and pearls you would like. Now let's make the first branch needed for this design. Follow the order of the beads I'm showing on the screen. This first branch is made with oval pearls and crystals. Measure about 12 centimeters from the beginning of the wire and bend it there. Use the wire that's still attached to the spool to make the little offshoots on the branches. Now, bring the first pearl right up to where you just bent it. Twist the wire until it's about 1.5 centimeters in length. Then bring a second bead down the wire and place it near the branch, leaving room to twist the wire for a few millimeters to encase it. Twist the wire, leaving a few millimeters in between each offshoot of the branch. Continue this, alternating the sides with each bead you add, until you have used all of them. Finish the branch by twisting the wire a couple of times and then cutting off the wire. Here's the first branch with 8 beads. You'll need 2 of each branch. Now I'll show you how to make branches with 4 and 6 millimeter pearl beads. You'll need 5 of the bigger ones and 3 small pearls. Measure 12 centimeters and place the first small bead there. Continue until you've used all the beads. Here's the second branch. The third branch is made with white opal crystal beads. I'll show you each branch I made and how many beads they have. I varied the length of them by using different amounts of beads on some of the branches to add more variety to them. Repeat the process and make as many branches as you'd like. You can make more or less depending on how full you want your design to be. This design can be easily customized by using different colors of beads. Here's all the branches done. 8 different branch designs, and each of them has 2 of them. Now let's separate the branches in 2 piles, so we have one of each design to go on each side of the hair comb. Next, you'll need a metal hair comb. I'm using a wired comb with 12 teeth. Take one of your branches and position it at the side of the comb. Wrap each wire tightly around the comb's teeth to secure it in place. Snip off any excess wire with your side cutters and make sure to tuck in the ends by pressing them down with your chain nose pliers. Then do the same on the other side. Add another branch next to the first branch, slightly overlapping it for a layered effect. Again, wrap the wire around the comb's teeth to secure it. Continue adding branches one by one. Adjust the angle of them as needed to create a balanced design. Don't worry if your branches look messy at this point. Once all the branches are attached, you can bend them to rearrange them better. I decided to combine the last two branch designs into clusters and attach them at the same time to decorate the center of the comb. If you want, you can attach them separately. Once everything is secured, use your fingers to gently adjust the branches and beads until you're happy with the shape. And there you have it, your own bridal hair comb. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.